Hi, I'm Tom Werkman from Werkman Outfitters. Are you new to fly tying? Do you even know where to begin? Are you overwhelmed by all of that fly tying stuff that's out there? Well, today, let me break it down for you on how I did it. Stay tuned. So I've been fly fishing for about 10 years now, and I've never tied my own flies. So this year I decided to start out and start tying flies for myself, because hey, why not try it? I got some time on my hands this winter. So I was overwhelmed. I went to all these different YouTube channels to try to figure out how to do this. And there are so many channels out there of different fly tyers, different recipes. They have a lot of complication to flies, in my opinion, and I just felt overwhelmed. Well, through that process, I stumbled upon a YouTube channel by Alvin Dedeaux. I'll put a link to Alvin's channel up here, and Alvin broke it down in a very simple way. He has what he calls his guide fly series. And the thing with tying flies is that they don't have to be perfect. Everybody thinks they got to follow the recipe. And the nice thing about learning from him was that I was able to just take a step back, relax, and just tie these simple flies. So when you start out fly tying, you're going to need to get your vise, your tools, some material. Orvis has a great starter kit. You can either order it online or you can walk into one of the stores and they'll be happy to help you out to get you going and learning the basics. And the thing with learning the basics is you just have to take your time. They aren't going to look perfect, and that's okay. Mine don't look perfect. They don't even look like what the person is showing on the video, but they've been doing it for a long time, and you got to start somewhere. The other thing that I would say is use rabbit fur. Rabbit fur, you can do a ton of things with rabbit fur. You can make simple leeches, you can make simple crayfish patterns. The other thing that I would also work with is tying just simple clousers, simple Dalai Lamas. Those are simple to tie, and just get to be familiar with the different material that goes with it. So when you're starting out, just be patient. It'll take time, but you got to start somewhere. And if you start simple and build from there, you won't feel overwhelmed. The other thing that I learned too is that by tying simple flies, I started to gain some experience. I started to build my confidence and feel good about myself, which keeps me engaged in wanting to do more fly tying. You can see in back of me, I don't have a lot of fly tying material. I'm just trying to keep it simple for now and slowly build on it. And then as I build on it, who knows, that wall will probably become way more messy. The desk will become way more messy for sure, but at least I've built my confidence. Hey, the best part is that when you do get out on the water and you are fishing using your flies and you catch a fish with it, that's the ultimate icing on the cake. You did that with your craft. Hey, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. If you did like it, follow us on YouTube. And hey, we'll catch you next time.